Welcome back. Time now for the financial week. Fitch Ratings has affirmed Jamaica's long-term foreign and local currency issuer default rating at BB- and maintained a stable outlook. In a statement issued on February 5, the ratings agency said the decision reflects the government's continued commitment to macroeconomic stability, even as it responds to the fallout from Hurricane Melissa, one of the most severe natural disasters to hit the island in recent history. Speaking at the Mayberry Investment Forum recently, Minister of Finance Favour Williams welcomed the decision.
To have had Moody's upgrade your rating after a Category 5 hurricane, it's something that, unheard of. And when you read what they wrote about Jamaica, one of the things they highlighted is the institutions that we have put in place over the last 10 years. We put in place buffers to help us through the economy, or layered approach in terms of our risk financing instruments that we've had in place. That helped significantly because we were able to respond as soon as, rain stopped falling.
Fitch estimates the hurricane caused damage of about $8.8 billion US, equivalent to 40% of Jamaica's gross domestic product, with the western region hardest hit. The agency is projecting a temporary economic contraction of 1.5% this year and 2.6% in 2026 as reconstruction advances. Despite the setback, Fitch highlighted Jamaica's financial preparedness, pointing to more than $6 billion US in concessional multilateral loans, nearly $250 million US in government insurance and contingency funds, additional credit lines, a $150 million US catastrophe bond facility, and expected private insurance inflows. Jamaica's record of 10 consecutive years without new taxes may not automatically continue as the government weighs the economic fallout from Hurricane Melissa. Responding to this concern recently, Finance Minister Favour Williams acknowledged the milestone, but says the country's post-disaster recovery may require flexibility and present new realities.
We are going through significant upheaval in the economy, and I don't believe that people would be expecting for us to remain at that same level during the aftermath of Melissa.
The minister says the focus is to help affected Jamaicans regain economic footing rather than temporary assistance. She says special attention is being placed on small businesses, many of which suffered extensive damage. This comes just weeks before the 2026-2027 budget is set to be tabled in Parliament. The JSE index advanced by 4,106 points, while the junior market index declined by 48 points. The winners include ISP Finance Services, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy US dollar shares, Sterling Investments US dollar shares, Productive Business Solutions 10.50% perpetual cumulative redeemable preference share, and MPC Caribbean Clean Energy. The losers include Medical Disposables and Supplies, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Palace Amusement, and Iron Rock Insurance Company. 18 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $157.14. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $115.31. The pound is going for $212.91, while the euro is selling for an average $185.03. And that's the financial week. News from overseas and our bite of the week after the break.